Alright, what's going on everybody, Urban Outlaws here, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of work on the 5.0, because, as typical, S550s like to snap their freaking bumper tabs, which I got the clip that goes underneath this part, which may or may not help, but I'm also going to see if I can fix these tabs, because they have yet to rip off yet, and I don't want to have to buy whole new bumper just for me to have a functional bumper. I don't want to just have the tabs ripped off and it just be flapping there. Also, I want to try and run by AutoZone later, possibly. The lens is cracked right here, as you can see, but this little bulb right here, only on this side for some reason, likes to go out. So I'm going to see if I can do that today. The other car, sitting way over there. The whole little paint booth thing didn't work out because the car snagged it when I was backing up the other day getting my inspection done, and that's now gone. So here's a little look at what the inside of the 5.0 look like.
Tripping on back from the legs, say something. Never tell a back that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit one, I never had shit. Bitch move, make your motherfucking head split. Cost to the loss, never really gon' pay shit. Tell me never really gon' check.
Alright, now it's been a while since I've actually worked on one of these. I've put one on here recently at my shop, but I have yet to take one off. So this is going to be a little bit of a experiment for me, which it looks like someone's already worked on this before, because you got non-factory, non-factory, factory, non-factory, 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 non-factory clips, which has me some concerns now that I'm looking at this. Having to go back and grab different tools for all those different clips. Got that little cover piece off. Looks like they rigged the bumper on here too, because it looks like we got Torx. Looks like a 6 or 7, another Torx, which is a chrome Torx, 7 Torx. So honestly, I don't even know what was factory on this thing. But overall, if it did, they said that it had no major accidents, but it may have just been the bumper that they tried to fix. But it doesn't look like there's any off alignment. As you can see, everything looks straight. Everything looks nice and good. Need to do some cleaning under here, but I was like, all I gotta do is clean that plastic piece. You won't be able to see any of this with it on. So, let me check, see under here, see what bolts we got. Alright. Yeah, it looks like we got a 6 or 7 right up in there, right there. Got a couple pushpins down here, but I don't think those are connected to the bumper. And for those that wonder what this is right here, because I know a lot of people have questioned about this, it's actually a aerodynamic grill. As you can see, it goes through the front of the bumper up here, which is pretty neat. And I'm not too exactly sure on what I'm assuming it does a little bit cool down for the brakes, or I say brakes, but when you're driving, it's on the wheel. So I don't know exactly what its purpose is, but I thought that was pretty little neat detail that they did with these bumpers. But yeah, this is our issue right here. Yes, this is all Gorilla Glue, because I tried gluing it, but the glue was taking too long. So we're going to see what we can do without screwing the whole thing up. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, got to looking around. Didn't need to take any of this off, so ignore that whole first part of the video. All I had to do is take out that one little 7 or whatever that was in here, and look at that. Now I can reach in down in there with hopefully the same socket, and yeah, let's get going. everybody. Got the piece out. Had a little bit of an issue with the Gorilla Glue that I put on there because it was kind of stuck in there, so it kind of ripped out. But this is the piece that I got, which may or may not fix this, which I don't think it will, based off of what I've been told, based off of what I've been seeing. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna try and make it work. Looks like the tab's already starting to rip, so I want to see what I can do about that. And hopefully we'll get this thing fixed. I'm really hoping that works. Alright everybody, got that new piece back on. For those that are wondering why I didn't record, it was just because it was just those two little bolts right there. They come out and you just pop it right back out. And hence, in hindsight, it should just snap back in there. But look, I need to glue this tab back. And I need to find a screw that'll fit in this hole because that's what ripped it out. It got ripped out along with this, so it ripped the tab, ripped the bolt out, and it'll probably snap in like it's supposed to, but it's not gonna hold. So gotta find me a screw and I gotta glue this together. Alright guys, got some fast drying Gorilla Glue. We're gonna hope that this works. I'm probably gonna have to do a couple layers of glue, but it looks like it may hold on there. I don't know how strong it's gonna hold, but this is also just a temporary fix until I can actually get it really fixed. I mean, I got the part for it, I got everything for it, but really what I feel like the only way to fix it is just get a new bumper with new tabs and go from there. Alright guys, I decided to finish everything up. Got the new part on. Sad part is, didn't do anything. I can't get this bumper tab snapped in. The glue won't hold. It's just not putting out. So, new bumper. I have to save up for one. It's like $300 for an unpainted stock bumper. Gonna have to, I guess, I don't know. Guess I'll have to live with it for a little bit. Stupid S550 problems. Sorry for wasting everybody's time. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all later.